I have a 1993 80 Series Land Cruiser that I bought brand new 28 years ago, and it has 215,000 miles on it, and the engine's never been apart.
And the average age of a vehicle in the US is rising. Drivers are holding onto their cars longer, and cars are spending more time in the used vehicle market before they head to the junkyard.
How many engines can truly stand the test of time running strong long after others have given up? Some power plants don't just move cars, they write history mile by mile. Today's video uncovers engines so durable they've become legends on the road. Here are the top 10 car engines that can hit 1 million miles. Number 1. Chevrolet Small Block V8. This engine became a household name because it could handle rough conditions, deliver strong power, and continue running mile after mile without faltering. The version most people discuss is the 355 cubic inch model, first introduced in 1955. At that time, the American car scene was beginning to focus on speed and strength, and this engine arrived at the perfect moment. Even today, restorers and collectors search for these engines because they want to relive those memories and keep the culture alive. Another reason for the small block V8's success is its simple and innovative design. It was built in a way that made repairs and maintenance easy for anyone with basic tools. Parts have always been widely available and affordable, which means owners can rebuild and refresh the engine many times instead of replacing it. This practical design gave the small block V8 a long life. It made it one of the most modified and rebuilt engines in automotive history. Decades later, this engine still holds a special place on the road. Countless cars and trucks with small block V8s continue to drive across America, proving that the design has stood the test of time. It is more than just a piece of machinery. It is a symbol of strength, endurance, and culture, a living legend that continues to roar even after traveling millions of miles. Number 2. Honda K20. What makes the K20 special is its ability to rev to very high speeds while still staying strong and reliable. Most engines begin to struggle when pushed to their limits, but the K20 was designed to handle that pressure with ease. Drivers quickly discovered that they could move the engine hard on the racetrack and then use the same car for daily driving without worry. This mix of exciting performance and dependable reliability made it popular with both car tuners who love modifying engines and everyday owners who just wanted a car that would last. Another reason for the engine's popularity is its long life. Still, the K20 demonstrates that strength and durability can coexist. Number 3. Toyota 2JZ GTE. One of the most remarkable aspects of this engine is its construction. Toyota designed it with a strong iron block and a bottom end that could handle enormous stress. As a result, the 2JZ GTE is renowned for withstanding extreme levels of turbo boost and aggressive tuning that would typically destroy most other engines. In fact, it can produce over 1,000 horsepower with stock internal parts, a feat achieved by only a handful of engines worldwide. Number 4. The Nissan SR20DE. In the late 1980s and 1990s, Nissan created an engine that quickly found a place in both everyday streets and drifting tracks, the SR20DE. This 2-liter, 4-cylinder engine was available in both naturally aspirated and turbocharged versions, and it soon developed a loyal following among drivers seeking a balance of reliability and performance. One of the biggest reasons for the SR20DE's popularity is its toughness. Because of its mix of strength, modifiability, and endurance, the SR20DE became a staple in the drifting scene and a favorite among tuners. Number 5. BMW M30. Few engines represent BMW's long tradition of performance and engineering better than the M30. Known as one of the brand's true classics, this 6-cylinder engine stood out for more than 2 decades, serving as the heart of many of BMW's most respected cars. The M30 first appeared in the late 1960s and remained in production until the mid-1990s. During that long span, it powered models ranging from the practical 5 Series to the luxurious 7 Series. For many owners, the M30 became the engine that defined the BMW driving experience: smooth, strong, and dependable. What gave the M30 its charm was the way it blended refinement with strength. Drivers loved its silky delivery of power, which made every ride feel effortless. At the same time, the engine had sufficient durability to continue operating far longer than most expected. For many fans, the M30 is remembered as the foundation that laid the groundwork for BMW's modern identity. If you made it this far and love what you see, please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Number 6. The Chrysler Slant 6. In the late 1950s, Chrysler introduced an engine that would go on to become one of the longest-lasting designs in American automotive history, the Slant 6. This engine remained in production for more than 40 years, from 1959 into the early 2000s, and it earned a reputation as one of the toughest workhorses ever built. The most famous version was the 225 cubic inch model. What made it stand out was its unusual design. Durability, however, is what truly defined the Slant 6. It was well known for starting up and running smoothly even in rough conditions that would cause many other engines to struggle. Owners discovered that the engine could continue to operate with minimal attention, often tolerating poor maintenance or suboptimal fuel quality without failing. Due to this toughness, many Slant 6 engines easily surpassed the 500,000-mile mark, especially when given proper care. Even today, decades after their production stopped, countless classic Mopar vehicles equipped with Slant 6 engines remain on the road, proving just how dependable the design was. The Chrysler Slant 6 may not have been the flashiest or the fastest, but it was a reliable engine. Still, it became a legend by doing something more important, delivering reliability year after year, mile after mile. Number 7, Toyota 22RE. We have the Toyota 22RE, a 2.4L inline four-cylinder powerhouse. It has earned a cult-like following for good reason. Found in the iconic Toyota pickup and 4Runner from the 1980s to the 1990s, this engine is the epitome of reliability. Its no-nonsense design, easy-to-fix nature, and legendary toughness have made it a favorite among adventurers and everyday drivers. Whether battling scorching heat, brutal cold, or even taking a surprise dip in the water, yes, the stories are out there. The 22RE keeps going. Number 8, Mercedes-Benz OM 617. Produced from 1974 to 1991, the 3.0-liter inline 5-cylinder diesel featured a cast-iron block and head with a chain-driven single overhead camshaft, a robust design that prioritized durability. This solid engineering helped establish Mercedes-Benz's global reputation for toughness, especially in the US during the 1980s. Performance evolved throughout its run. The naturally aspirated version initially produced 79 horsepower. The OM 617 balanced power, endurance, and reliability, making it a cornerstone in Mercedes-Benz history and a game-changer in the diesel world. Few engines embody the term bulletproof as thoroughly as this one. Number 9, the Volvo B230. Volvo is often praised for building some of the safest cars in the world. But the story of this brand is not only about safety. The engines under the hood also carried a reputation for being some of the toughest on the road. At the center of that reputation is the Volvo B230, a 2.3-liter four-cylinder engine that proved nearly impossible to wear out. Introduced in the 1980s, the B230 became the heart of Volvo's most iconic cars, including the 240 and the 740. These models were known for their boxy shape and solid build, and the B230 perfectly matched that image with strength and endurance. For many families, these cars were daily workhorses that could be trusted to start every morning, no matter how many miles were already on the odometer. What made the B230 special was its simple yet rugged design. It was not a flashy engine, nor was it built for racing, but it was built to last. Owners often pushed these engines to the limit in freezing Scandinavian winters or during long-distance drives, and the B230 continued to perform with steady reliability. With regular maintenance, it was not unusual to see these engines run beyond 500,000 miles, a milestone that very few engines ever reach. This durability turned the B230 into more than just a mechanical part. It may not roar like a sports car engine, but its ability to survive decades of use has made it unforgettable. For anyone who values true longevity, the B230 shows that toughness lies deep within the design. Number 10, Ford 4.9-liter inline 6. Few engines capture the spirit of American toughness quite like the Ford 4.9-liter inline 6, also known as the 300. From the 1960s through the 1990s, it powered Ford's hardest-working trucks and vans, earning respect as one of the most reliable engines ever built. Combined with its rugged design, this made it a favorite in rural areas and job sites, where reliability was more important than horsepower numbers. Another reason the 4.9-liter engine stood out was its exceptional durability. Many owners reported crossing 300,000 miles with little more than regular oil changes and routine care. That kind of endurance gave it a place in the history books as one of Ford's most trusted engines. Decade after decade, the Ford 300 proved that true strength does not always come from high speed or flashy technology. Instead, it came from solid engineering, consistent power, and the ability to keep running long after others had failed. And that wraps up the list of engines that refuse to quit, mile after mile. Now, here's something to think about. If cars can be engineered to survive hundreds of thousands, even a million miles, what does that say about the way most engines are built today? Are we still chasing durability, or have we traded it for speed and convenience? Plus, with EVs already here, owning one of these engines will make you a collector, an auto enthusiast having a deep love for art, creativity, and nostalgia. Drop your thoughts in the comments below because this is a debate worth having. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more automotive insights, and hit the bell so you never miss an upload.